Ladies and gentlemen, Brian uncle had taught me Godfather when I was really small. I think in my first class he chose to teach us Godfather. Uh, After many, many years, I have revisited this song. It takes a lot to do justice to it, but this is my small attempt. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Yes, you were so right. It's so difficult to attempt a classic, but she's done so much justice to it. Let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great evening, Ankita. Thank you. You're going absolutely fantastic. And so are wonderful accompanist artists. May I request first to felicitate Mr. Jaideep Lakhtakia on the guitar. May I invite Mr. Madan Mohan, India's one of the most eminent eye surgeons, to kindly come up on the stage and do us the honors, sir. फूलों से हम अपने कलाकारों का इस्तकबाल करना चाहेंगे. Before we go on to the bigger moment, as I said in the beginning, today a star is literally being born solo as we rejoice Ankita's hard work and perseverance and her love for piano. Well, the moment is going to just come nearer and closer. May I also request Sri Raja Vijay Karan Sahab, former CBI director, to kindly come up on the stage, sir, and honor the man on the Jaideep Lakhtakia. Magical hands on the strings. Sir, may I request you to kindly stay on the stage, please? May I request Raja Vijay Karan Sahab to kindly come up on the stage and felicitate the Tabla Nawaz Tulsi. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And we have, sir, thank you for doing us the honors. May I request you, sir, to kindly be with us on the stage for a moment as I request Shri P.K. Tripathi, Chief Secretary, Government of NCT of Delhi, sir, to kindly come up on the stage and present a bouquet of flowers to our star for the evening, Ankita Kumar. May I request and call upon Mrs. Anuradha Prasad to kindly come up on the stage. And Ankita, may I request you to felicitate her on this occasion. Arunima, please join us on the stage. May I request all of you to kindly stay on the stage. The big moment is with us as we go on to take the blessings and also now go on to the moment of officially and finally releasing the CD tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Ankita's first solo album.
Can I request Mala and Neeraj and Rashmi ji and Sudhir ji to be here, please? Ah, Manav. Manav, you can't be missing.
Sir, please do us the honors in. Sorry, please come here. And may I request now the Guru, Mr. Brian Silas, to kindly come up on the stage to officially release this album. May I request you, sir, to kindly stand up here? Well, with this, we move on to the release of the launch of a maiden music album called Resonance. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That's a big moment for a star as we release. It's a great moment, 6 years of sheer hard work, an absolute great moment. Thank you. But it's a great moment for the entire family, friends, everyone. It takes a lot of hard work and effort to come to this level too. And we'd like to thank the T-Series for bringing out this wonderful album, the supporters, Mr. Dugal, Mr. Bansal. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, sirs. Thank you. Thank you for doing us the honor as we move on to the next part of the program and the finale. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Ankita, this is like winning the man of the match. Please come here. How do you feel about getting the first release from the able, lovely hands, and how do you feel exactly today?
Super. I feel super.
That was a very 2020 statement. All right. How many more after this?
Oh God. God willing, several more. And
Endless. And the journey continues. God bless you. And where do we go from here? Well, now it's out. So do we have some numbers from this album? What are we hitting at?
We have several, but before I again want to attempt something that my teacher has perfected. You all may have heard my teacher play Jago Mohan Pyare.
Oh.
It's a very difficult number, but I have attempted it this time. I need your encouragement as I try it today. Thank
And
you.
Ankita, thereafter, we are looking for Bhamre Ki Gunjan, Ae Dil Mujhe Bata De, and since you mentioned your guru, the medley of the finale to be
Yes,
coming in. Yeah?
yes, yes.
Before we cast a vote of thanks?
Yes.
All right, there you are. Here you go. Well, yes, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. अंकिता की स्पिरिट देखकर एक बड़ा अच्छा शेर याद आ रहा है आप सभी की नज़र, अंकिता खास पर आपकी नज़र, कि मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। So keep the spirit up and the electric medley. Here we go.